Just a short one for you guys here. Today I'm gonna start the process of making my own Scoby for kombucha tea, and I don't know, just an overall experiment. So got the water boiling, we got our jar, and we got 7 tea bags here because it's gonna be a little bit under a half gallon. All right, so I let those steep for about 7 minutes. I gave it a good full steep, and right here I got a little bit over like 3/4 of a cup of sugar because this isn't a whole gallon. So I'm gonna add this and mix it in. All right, so I transferred it into my jar and I sat it by a cool window to let that thing cool down before you add anything else to it. That's very important. You don't want it to kill the live cultures you're gonna add. Now that your tea's cooled down to room temperature, you're gonna take some starter from another kombucha. Put that in there. I hope that's not too much. Oh, it'll be all right. And then you're gonna take another live culture just to give it the go ahead. Oh, someone's not happy. Oh, that smells good, boy. Look at that. That's just ferment. That's all that is. So we're going to add a little bit in there just to give the cultures a head start, you know, or whatever. I'm going to lid this up. I'm going to put it in the fermentation station, you know, controlled temperature area, and between 60 to 80, and then for a good while. And then hopefully a Scoby's going to form at the top, and we're going to keep you guys updated. Stir it up and off it goes. As you can see, this little cover and a shirt on a heating pad, a little fermentation station. This is just a little project I'm doing. That stuff smells like high proof alcohol. And these are my vinegars. This is from dates fermenting. And I was just trying to see what kind of vinegars I could get off of these. Pineapple ferment, and that stuff's gonna be strong. There is the that's more pineapple and raisin vinegar. That's just raisins back there, and then the big guy is our kombucha. So we'll see you guys in a month.